is what I have done, ascertain the cash flows properly, have a proper net working capital, and then if you have an excess, then transfer that excess as a term loan. And based on your projection, ask for an actual requirement of cash. Okay, actual requirement of working capital limit increase. And have a proper DP going forward so that this problem is not repeated henceforth. Your projection should be realistic. Like I said, our CMA generator in Docscott, we have a set of if it is this COVID year, a -8% of your previous year turnover, previous year actual turnover, I would say, is what is reasonable. You take that, and based on that, you look at the working of the company, all the expenditure, and arrive at a profit before interest and after taxes. It may be loss, it doesn't matter. And then get the net working capital done. What is the stock actually you need to do that? What is the actual receivable that will be outstanding? What is it we have in books? We can, you tell that it is this excess has to be converted as a term loan, working capital term loan over a period of time. And then for the additional working, what is needed can be asked. So now the question will drop in somebody's mind, will the bankers agree to it? Well, if there is a compelling case, they will. If you have a proposition where you have a business working properly and you have a proper cash generating business, and if there is only a cash mismatch and the past things that are created over a period of time, what I talked about, then these things can be adjusted. And then you have a very, very clear, proper vision statement and have a good documentation done with all steps of the way, which will pass the scrutiny. Then everything that you need, should be available, because the banks are also having a lot of funds. There was another recent report which said 7.6 trillion rupees, that is 7,60,000 crores, is in reverse repo. That is, the banks are taking fixed deposits and the CASA balances at an average of, let us say, 3%, 4%, and then giving it to RBI at a much lesser interest. And then making loss there because they don't have proper avenues of investing, or they don't have a proper method of proper companies in which they have to invest. So we become the proper company. That is the whole idea. Look, this is what I have. This is what I can do. This is what I can achieve. This is the difficulty I have. Let me overcome it and you help me. This is what your document should talk about threadbare. Once it does, there is a good way in which you will be able to restructure the loans. Okay, this cleaning up is very important. And then comes capitalization. This is not a free meal, okay? Restructuring mandated by RBI just provides the methodology with which it can be restructured. It does not tell the banker that you have to necessarily restructure all accounts. It is up to the bank. If the bank decides that, okay, let me take it as an NPA and then start taking the actions, so be it, then they will start that action. They may not start till 31st of March because they will be very busy restructuring the goods, but eventually they will start. So, first and foremost in the projections that you have to show is that your skin in the game is there with respect to collateral, with respect to money, with respect to the intention with which you will be able to make goods. Your own faith in the business. If you put more money in the business, then your faith increases. Otherwise, no. So that has to be displayed in some form. Okay. Like I said earlier, subordinate debt scheme can be resorted to. fund of fund equity scheme can be resorted to. All of us have friends and relatives. We can ask them to chip in money and then collect some money and then put it depending on the size of the company. And it has never been announced, it has never been thought through, but if you give a proposition to the banker, they may agree. If you have a property, you can continue to enjoy the property and reverse mortgage the property, take the money upfront and put it in business. They will be more than happy to help you to put the business on track. More because of two things. One, they have money. Number two, they don't want NPA. So there is a good chance you will be able to restructure if your capital is it properly. So you have the will to clean up. There is cleaning up is not very difficult, and you have to look at it, and you will be able to explain. You can. So if the receivables was more, and if you want to make it less, you can always say that, right? So due to COVID, you are unable to collect now. It may have been difficult last year. It may be difficult next year. In the current year, it is possible to restructure. Do not lose this window.